In this video, we're going to talk about the title of this video. The title of this video changes dynamically with the change in number of views and likes. But sometimes it might not be all the same because YouTube actually doesn't update data in real time and because of some other reasons as well. But what's really important here is how this video changes its name automatically. Let's find out. The inspiration for this video came from Tom Scott, who actually uploaded this kind of video in the first place. I found his video interesting and inspiring and wanted to explain you people how he did this thing in the first place. This thing is actually done with the help of this YouTube API version 3. Although this API is the most important part here, but there are other requirements too without which you won't be able to create something like this. The very first requirement is you need to have an account on Google Cloud Platform to configure your YouTube API. Then you need to have basic knowledge of programming to at least understand the code that I wrote for you. And of course, a virtual server to run that code again and again after a certain interval of time. Once you successfully created your account, you need to create a new project by clicking here. I already created a project, so I simply open that. After that, visit API and Services and then click on Library. Now search for YouTube API. Choose YouTube API version 3 and enable it. I already enabled it, so I don't need to enable it again. But once you enable it, click on Manage. From this page, click on Credentials. Now you need to create your API key for the purpose of authentication. But before that, you are required to configure OAuth consent screen. I already did that and I'm not gonna do it again, but just remember, when you'll be doing that, don't forget to add required YouTube scopes and save the consent, but not to submit it for review if you're using it for personal use. Now create the API key, click on Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application, set a name, and for authorized origin, enter your domain name, or if you are doing it locally, just enter http://localhost and http://localhost/index.php in authorized redirect URI. After that, just click on Create. I already have one, so I'll not create another. Now you can see your API here and can see its client ID and client secret credentials by clicking over here. Next step is to download and set up this sample PHP code that I wrote for you. You can find the link for this in description. Once downloaded, don't forget to edit index.php and credentials.php file. Replace this with your video ID and add your client ID and client secret in credentials.php file. After adding your credentials, you need to authorize your YouTube channel account with this for once. Finally, all set. Now you just need to run the script every minute or every few minutes to update video name. So far, we did these things locally, but to create such video which actually show the correct views and likes all the time, you need to have a virtual private server. Because you simply can't keep running this script on your system 24/7 every day. Now once you place this code on a server, configure a cron job to repeatedly run this script. You can configure a cron job with the help of cron tab. Type a command cron tab -e and add this line to run your script after every 2 minutes. One last thing is that if you associate a domain name with your server, you need to update or add new URL and URI origin as per your domain name by editing your API key. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.